Hello, everybody. My name is John Apizidis. I'm here with Steve Kyriakides, who we all know from our guest appearances here at Radio Trapezounta Boston for many years as being one of our featured musicians. But today, Steve is going to talk to us about the Newport Winter Glendi, the annual dance that will be held at the Wyndham Newport Hotel in Midletown, Rhode Island. Given by St. Spiridon's Greek Orthodox Church of Newport, Rhode Island. Steve, thank you so much for joining us today. Welcome to Radio Trapezounta. Καλώς όρισες, καλώς ήρθες.
John, thank you for having me. As always, it's always an honor to be here. And definitely looking forward to a very exciting weekend over at the Wyndham Newport Hotel and a wonderful Glendi with a lot of participation from the local communities. Thank you for having me on the show today.
It's my honor. Last year was the first year that I was at the event, and I witnessed firsthand a great evening. Very, I'll say it in Greek, πολύ φιλοξενία. Very warm atmosphere. The music was incredible. The night was great. Tell us a little bit of what we'll expect this Saturday at the Newport Winter Glendi.
So as last year, we have Fotia.Live playing again as the Laika band. And as tradition, we always have Pontiaka mixed in with it. This year, we'll have Vaggelis and Pesiridis as the other part of the music. Of course, I'll probably jump in on the second act as is also part of the tradition. But it's a really great fundraising event. Every dollar gets donated some way or another, whether it's the bar, people having drinks and cocktails, or through the admission or raffle. Everything goes to one of the benefactors, which this year we have technically 4 if you're going to count the dance groups individually. Norwalk, Pontiaca, Cranston's Odyssey dance group, Newport's dance group, and then the church itself will have their own donations.
Very nice. Sounds like a very event-filled evening. Last year I remember we had some guests of honor. Do we have any guests of honor planned for this year? Is it a surprise? Anything we know of?
Yeah, it's kind of exciting. We have a new consulate general in the area. I'm not exactly sure when he came. I think it was sometime in August, but his name is Simeon Tegos, and he'll be joining us as my guest of honor, and his family, of course. And then we have some Rhode Island diplomats who I'm not sure if I should disclose if they're coming or not. So I'll leave it there. But I very much look forward to having them sit at the head table, and there'll be some quick presentations, and then of course the dance group's performing. So trying to keep it for what the core of it always is. Everybody wants to come and have a good time and enjoy their own dancing. So I want everybody to perform, and then it's just dinner and dance and fun, and the Greek community that we have in Newport is fantastic, and Cranston has a huge Greek community that I'm excited to have some come in and get to meet them. Of course, Norwalk is like family to me, and then we're hoping for some Boston crowd as well. So one big Greek melting pot.
One big Greek melting pot in Middletown, Rhode Island. A little bit of New England, a little bit of Greek New England from north and south, basically, all at the Newport Winter Glendi. What time does the dance start, Steve? How long is it going to last for, approximately?
The dance starts at 6 o'clock is when the doors open. We will do a cocktail hour from 6 to 7. And then pretty much the announcements will start and introductions, and we'll start serving salads by 7:15. Get the dancing going a little bit, and then have dinner. And right after dinner, we'll finish up the dance performances and go right into communal dancing.
Sounds like a great time. So a little of all kind of Greek music. You're having the awesome Fotia.Live, our favorite band that is just incredible. They perform a lot of different styles of Greek music. And obviously, Vaggelis and Pesiridis will be there for Pontiaka. And hopefully, you'll play for us a little bit as well. I'm sure everyone wants to hear you.
We'll see if we can sneak a couple stanzas in there.
Well, speaking of sneaking a couple of stanzas, how would you feel sneaking a couple of distika in right now? How does that sound?
Well, if it wouldn't be Radio Trapezounta without a little Pontiaka, now would it?
I must agree. I must agree on that. And you haven't been on for over a year, so you're overdue. You know, we got to plan something soon.
My pharmacist is called.
Prescription's up.
Parangilias, I mean, do we have something we want to hear, or is it something...
Ίνταν σύριψης, όπως λέμε στα Ποντιακά, ό,τι θέλει η ψυχούλα σου. Να πούμε ότι μαζί μας έχουμε τον Στάθη τον Κυριακίδη, ο οποίος θα είναι ο οικοδεσπότης, πιστεύω είναι η σωστή ορολογία, αυτό το Σάββατο στο Newport Winter Glendi, η ετήσια χοροσπυρίδα που διοργανώνεται από την Εκκλησία του Αγίου Σπυρίδωνα στο Newport, Rhode Island. Θα υπάρχει ελληνική μουσική με την ορχήστρα Fotia.Live, θα υπάρχει ποντιακή μουσική με τον Βαγγέλη και τον Μιχάλη τον Πεσιρίδη και βεβαίως με τον αγαπητό μας το Στάθη, μετά που τελειώσει με τις υποχρεώσεις του και τα τρεχάματα και ηρεμήσει λίγο, πιστεύω έτσι λίγο να μας παίξει, να μην μας χαλάσει το χατήρι. So that was my Greek plug, Steve. All right, so you're good to go now. Go for it.
All righty. Should I try and move the camera to show more?
I'll take care of that. Don't worry about that. I'll take care of that.
All right. Εμάς και βάει εμάς η τούρτην πολέπεραν. Ναϊλή εμάς και βάει εμάς η τούρτην πολέπεραν. Επέραν το βασίουσκαν και λάεν αφέντιαν. Επέραν το βασίουσκαν και λάεν αφέντιαν. Μην κλαις, Αγιάνε μου, και μη θερνοκοπάτε. Μην κλαις, Αγιάνε μου, και μη θερνοκοπάτε. Οι Ρώμανοι αντέρασεν, οι Ρώμανοι επάρθεν, οι Ρώμανοι αντέρασεν, αντί και φερικιάνο. Όχι μεν, εσεν τι θα χωρίς, ακόμα και γενεθένιαρ, ακόμα και γενεθέν. Όχι τους ναν επικάσετε-μον το ψωπόν, ετελεθένου γιάμαν το ψωπόν, ετελεθέν, αμον το ψωπόν, ετελεθέν. Όχι μην κλαις, άρνη μην κλαις πουλήμ, χαλαούνταν το ματιάσιαρ, χαλαούνταν το ματιάς. Όχι γρατσόν γραμμόπον στυλώμε, με λαμπίσον ψιμ που μην τα δακράσιαρ, με λαμπίσον τα δάκρυας, αμονέ λαμπίσον τα δακράσιαρ.
Bravo, Stevie. That was awesome. That was really nice.
Μια γεύση.
Μία γεύση από το τι θα ακούσουμε και τι θα περιμένουμε το Σάββατο στο Wyndham Newport, στο Newport Glendi, Winter Glendi, που θα γίνει για την εκκλησία και από την εκκλησία του Αγίου Σπυρίδωνα. Steve, thank you so much for joining us. We wish you the best of luck. I will be there definitely on Saturday, and I hope everyone watching this video will be there as well. We will include all the links. I know you have an event link on the flyer and your email as well, so we'll include all those links for whoever wants to get in touch with you for a last-minute booking, hopefully, if they can find a spot, of course. We wish you all the best, Steve, and any last words we should know before Saturday?
Just that I'm very grateful for anybody who participates and comes to enjoy. And of course, I'm very thankful for you, for always being there for me, always supporting. And I just look forward to having a great time with everyone. And we just keep it about that.
That's what we hope for as well. We hope to have a great time and looking forward to seeing you on Saturday. And of course, for a good cause as well, helping the church, the beautiful church of Newport, Rhode Island. Σας περιμένουμε όλους το Σάββατο, αυτό το Σάββατο. Και μέχρι τότε, χαιρετούμε. Γεια σας. Γεια σου, Στίβη μου.
Γεια σου. Ευχαριστούμε.